Hi there, welcome. We're going to do a little tutorial again on the warrior postures. So if you look at the channel, you'll find you've got your warrior 1 and 2 with your previous video. And then this one we are going to do the warrior 3 and also the exalted warrior postures. So hopefully with these tutorials you'll find space in your busy schedule to bring a little bit of yoga into your day, and from there start to build on it. And so yoga practice is where we feel a union with our body, our breath, and then our mind. So let's start standing. Come onto your mat and then start to shake the hands and then start to shake the feet. So take one leg at a time. Then you just shake. So shaking forward, shaking to the sides. You can even go a little bit of a twist, kicking the foot, the leg. And then just notice if you've stopped breathing and then take a deep breath in and exhale, sigh it out. Continue to shake. Maybe spend a little bit more time on one foot, kicking it out. So loosening all the muscles in the body, all the limbs. Good. And then take the arms up and stretch. Ground the feet. Reach into the hands. Close the eyes. And breathe. Deep breath in. And then as you exhale, you can slowly lean over to the right side as the hips go to the left. Come back to the center. And then go to the opposite side. Center. Go to the right side with the hands. Center and then to the left. And then slowly find the center. Interlace the fingers. Flip the palms. Take the hands up. And stretch. Let's come onto the toes and we're going to walk up and down the mat and reaching up with the hands. Grow taller. Good. Keep reaching up and then walk onto the heels. So squinch the toes, walk forward and backwards. Good. And then find your way to the front of the mat. Reach into the hands, release the hands, take them down. Mountain posture, feeling like a mountain with the feet grounded, in line with the knees, hips, shoulders. Close the eyes, and then just feel the body. Feel your breath as you breathe in. You lengthen, and then as you exhale, you relax. And then you can open the eyes. Take a little step back. And then take the arms wide. We're going to go into our balance, into warrior 3. So for this, I'd like you to take the arms wide, bend the knees, fold forward, touch the floor. So you might need to bend your knees quite a lot. And then just bring the feet closer together so that when you raise your right foot, you still feel balanced. So you're on the fingertips, you take the right foot up, and you send the heel back. You can keep the heel or the standing leg bent. And the right toes are pointing down, the belly is pulled in. And either stay here, warrior 3, or lift the hands, bring them into the chest. And then from there, start to work on straightening that standing leg. Keep the hands in the chest, keep the right toes pointing down, heel pressing back, lengthening the crown of the head forward. Either stay here or take the hands next to the body, reaching back. Arms are straight. Keep facing the floor. Almost a sensation of flying. Take a breath in. Good, and then bend that standing leg, hands go back to the floor. Step that foot back all the way. And then just find your lunge here. Good, take a breath in, look forward. And then exhale, bend into the back knee, step to the front. And then slowly come up. Take the arms wide. Up over the head, and then bring the hands into the heart. Take a breath. And exhale. Other side. Inhale, arms up. And then exhale, fold. So bend the knees, touch the floor, feet together. Raise the left foot. So kick it back. Heel stretches back, toes pointing down. Pull the belly in. Shoulders wide. Keep that standing leg bent as you bring the hands to the heart. Into your prayer posture or gesture. Now you can work on straightening that leg. Either keeping the hands there or you can take it back, reaching towards the foot. A raised foot. Take a breath. Then as you exhale, bend the knee, touch down with the hands, step back. Big step so you're in your lunge. And then bend the back knee, come to the front, relax, and then slowly come up. Hands go up over the head and then into the heart. And exhale. Exalted Warrior. Inhale, hands out, up. Exhale, bend the knees, touch the floor. Step the right foot back. And this time you can step it slightly out to the side. Drop the heel in. Look forward. And then come up. So there's a bend in the front left knee. The belly is pulling in. You're grounding into the back foot. And then turn the body to face the side. From here, take the right leg down the leg. Flip the left hand. Make sure that that knee is over the ankle, the front knee. And then just take the left hand up. Follow the hand with the eyes. And then reach up. So as you reach up, straight up, you go a little bit deeper into the bend. And that right hand is just resting onto the leg. If the neck tires, then you can just relax the neck here. One more breath. Exhale. And then slowly bring the hand down. And then turn the hips to the front. Lift the back heel. We bend that back knee. Bring the hands to the floor. Step forward. Relax. And then slowly come up. Bring the hands into the heart. And then we go to the other side. I'm just going to turn around. You can stay facing the same way. And then exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Hands down. Step back with the left foot. Out to the side of the mat. Drop the heel in. Right knee is over the ankle. And we come up. And then we turn the hips. So we're turning the hips to face the side. You might want to adjust the back foot. Good. Take the left hand to the leg. Right hand, palm facing up. And then slowly lifting the hand up. Pull the belly in, reach up. And then as you reach up, go slightly deeper into your bend. Keep grounding into the back left foot. If the neck feels good, you can look up. Keep breathing. Gentle smile on your face. One more breath. Exhale. Good. Slowly bring the hand back, down. And then turning to the front, we lift the back heel. We bring the hands down. We're back in our lunge. And then from there, you can bring the hands down, step back, feet, knees down. Bring the tops of the feet down, knees wide. And then you can push back with the sitting bones. And you can relax into your child's pose, into Balasana. We're going to stay here for a couple of breaths. So you've got some variations. You can be on the elbows, you can stack the fists. Hands, if you want to take the head lower. Or you can have the hands forward, arms straight, head to the floor. Or you can even take the hands back and relax the shoulders. So the hands are back to the feet. And I'm personally just going to be on my elbows so I can talk a little bit easier, stacking my fists. We're going to stay for 3 more full, deep yogi breaths. Feeling the effect of the breath in the body, exhaling, relaxing, letting go any tension. Feeling the effect of the yoga postures, the warriors, and how that strengthened and stretched the body. And also just noticing the quality of your mind. Keeping the eyes gently closed as you take your awareness inward. Take another deep breath in and exhale. And then very slowly you can come out of that. You can either just sit back onto your shins or you can come to a cross-legged seat. Bring the hands into the heart. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, bow the head. And then you can open the eyes and you're back. Namaste.